So I hope you guys have obviously rested well in this time. Again, taken those learnings from our nutrition talk that we had today, having that good kai into you to be able to replenish your energy stores and then help with recovery on your muscles, okay? Unfortunately, you have to leave your phones here. You see that shelf in the corner? Yeah, leave it up there for now, just so we're present, okay?
We have to hand in our phones for most of the day so we can socialise with each other, so we can bond. I don't mind. There's like no Wi-Fi out here anyway, so...
So just for now, just put your phone on the shelf.
When I had to hand in my phone, no, I didn't like that. Didn't like that.
I tēnei mutunga wiki, kei Karāpiro mātou, mō te Elite camp.
That looked a lot better. It was cleaner, the transitions throughout the sets. I definitely think, though, that your legs and stuff can be utilised a whole lot more, because it does look like 70% arms, 30% legs. Okay, when you're ready.
Set.
Strong on the 3 deep, too.
Go.
More legs, push all together. Hands all the way in front of you. Once that blade gets to about your hip, use your legs to push forward and push the blade right behind you. Utilise 100% of the stroke and 100% of your body.
The purpose of this morning's training is to just get our technique right and build up our 500.
We're doing 3 deep and stopping.
Okay, set. Same again. Go. Okay, so when we're doing our 3 deep, look at me. Instead of going down, okay, we want to go, yes, down first, but then back. Okay, so don't push too much downward pressure on the top hand, because then that's what's sucking us down again. I could see from the side a few things weren't working as well. So jumping in allows me to see and feel things, to hammer out a few niggly parts we had and making sure everyone's on the same page. Go. Leg. Move forward. Okay, definitely. More legs in it, okay? Just feels like arms. While we're just gliding, practice that, okay? Go. Legs. You should hear movement from your bum on the seat. You see how much we're moving just with our legs? That's what we want, and add it to our stroke. So, let's go.
I ngāia nei ko te kapahaka te mahi.
Come on! E ngā iwi! E tēnei! Mauria mai! Te aroha o ngā tupuna. Ka pai, easy. So when we say it, all those kupu, I should be hearing more than 50 people in this room. We'll do it one more time, and then we'll move on. Kia mai! E ngā iwi! E tēnei! Mauria mai! Te aroha o ngā tupuna.
The reason why we do the waiata practice is because over at Worlds we have a cultural night where all the countries showcase their culture.
Ka pai! Kia hiki te kohu, kia whiti te rā. Tangi ana maira, there is 4 of those. Te pipi whāroeroa, there's 4 of those. Ka pai!
The waiata practice was cool. I didn't know any of those waiata, so it was nice to learn.
Ka pai, we're going to go from the top. Puna. Ka pai, kia mau! E ngā hauewha, Kia ora rā, toru whā. E ngā iwi e tēnei, mauria mai te aroha o ngā tupuna. Kia hiki te kohu.
I think it's nice to be able to take our culture over and show them what we do.
Kia ora rā. He au e he. Ka pai. Give your mate next year a high five. Good work. Give yourselves a high five on the back.
Nau bai ngā hue hora nei, hara bai nā e koe whakatipu anu ki whakatipu arangi. Tā kia mai, kia rehua ki te whaiao, ki te ao marama. Haumie, huie, tāiki.
Ko te pōwhakawhiwhinga tēnei o ngā tīma o Aotearoa.
Ka pai e te whānau. So 2024, our New Zealand Elite Open men's squad representing Aotearoa in the Elite Paramixed. Ho mai anō te pakipaki, our Open Women's Elite J19 men. And of course, the representatives and kanohi for Aotearoa, our Elite J19 wāhine. Man, you guys were impressive today too. Abigail Liufalani, Shaden Moitara, Hine Brooking, Kaiarahi Brooking Hapu, Mani Toloa, Nevea, Tauroa, and Taylor Morete.
I thought the presentation was cool. I've never been in the elites team, so it was cool to hear my name up there, and my whānau were there to see it as well.
These wāhine are coached by Gabby Wainohu and managed by Flo.
Yeah, I felt proud to have received my gears and to be able to represent my country.
Ka pai o J19 e te whānau.
We handed in our phones, and this is our only form of communication. So Marnie,
Me and Marnie
And Heidi's up there. And there's our coach over there being used. No, I'm joking.
You need staring on the W12.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to going home, but I'm gonna miss being like with the girls and just out here training.
Wāhine run!
101, guys. Here's Hine. Oh, one.
No, don't even. Here's your reward.
Get out! I was joking.
My lashes are falling out. Right now we're going for hikoi. The best thing for me about this weekend is just being with the girls, to be honest. We don't get that much time together, and to see our bond grow that much over this weekend is like really nice to see.
That's
How are you guys finding this weekend?
I'm really enjoying my time here at Karāpiro.
How about you?
I think everyone needs to thank me for giving birth to the coach of this team.
High five. Yeah. You're the one.
Welcome back to the cabin. Kei te pakari haere o mātou hononga I runga I te waka me I waho te waka hoki.
Can we have our phones back now, please?
Okay. You did good this weekend. Being 10 weeks out, not only is it about the physicality and what happens on the water, but it's all about that wairua connections off the water. Definitely taking their phones off them, help them to connect. It was cool to see them laughing and mixing and mingling.
See first cars, safe trip.
Good time.
Hi, Mama.
Ko te reo, te take.